The first thing you do when you are defining a destination, when you set a destination, the first thing you have to ask yourself, how much do I want it? Because everything worth having requires a level of sacrifice, dedication, devotion, and desire. I call that the 3 Ds: dedication, devotion, discipline, and add another one, desire. So after I've internalized that this is what I want to give myself a chance. It is better for me to try than the rest of my life when I sit as an old man or woman on a rocking chair or in a hammock. I'm questioning, why did I not try? So the first step is that psychological jump. The fact that you're in the room tells me you are making that first step, that first jump.